You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to make your own print-on-demand website using Printify. In fact, I've gone ahead and I've made an example store using Printify for completely free, as you can see right here. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Printify account, which you'll do for completely free using your email address, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option right where you see test store on my screen. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to tap on add a new store. After you have done that, you can see the different platforms that you can integrate Printify on. So all of these platforms you'll be able to list your product on for completely free. Whether it is Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, or eBay, Squarespace, or Wix, any one of these platforms you'll be able to integrate Printify on, and you can start selling your print-on-demand products. If you would like to create a standalone website like what I did right here for completely free using Printify, all you'll need to do is tap on Printify Mockup. From there, you could type in your store name. So let's say, for example, I would like to call this store. So I'm just going to be calling it Simple Answers. So let's do that real quick. After you have done that, you can see a store URL provided right there. Then you can select the country that you pay taxes in. So I can do that real quick. Then you'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can choose a theme that you would like to use for your new store. So you have numerous theme options that you can choose from. So I'm going to be selecting that one. Then you'll tap on launch store. After doing that, you're going to tap on add products. Once you have tapped on add products, from here you could select browse products. Then you can select the products that you would like to add to your store. So you can see you can add t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, tank tops, blankets, drinkware, anything at all you can add your design on. Or you can simply tap on the search bar right here and you could type in the product that you would like to add your design onto. Or you can tap on catalog from the left hand menu option and select one of these products that you would like to add your design to, as you can see right here. Let's say, for example, tank tops. So we're going to tap on that. Then you can see your target market can either be USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, China, or the United Kingdom. You can select whichever one of these you would like to target audience in. Then you will select the product that you would like to add your design to. Then from here, you can tap on Start Designing. After selecting Start Designing, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here, you could tap on Upload and you'll be able to upload your design. You can also tap on AI Image, and you could use the Printify AI to create a design for you. So you can type in a prompt right there, and you'll be able to create a design. So for example, let's say I were to use this one. So you can see it right there. I'll tap on Generate Image. After you have done that, you'll give it a few seconds while the prompt creates an image. Once it has created an image to your liking, so let's say for example this image, you can simply tap on it. Then you will simply pull along the sides right here to adjust it. So you can see it right there. Once it has been adjusted to your liking, you'll tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see the mockup image. So you can select the mockup image. Then you can scroll down and you can edit the title, description. You could also add a size table if you want. And by scrolling down, you could also select all of the variants. So you can see the different variants right here. So you could tap on Select All. Then you could also edit the price by tapping on Edit Price. So typically the profit margin would be set at 40%. But let's say you would like a 50% profit margin. You could type in 50% right there, then tap on Apply, and you can see that it has been changed. You can also scroll down, and then you'll tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Publish, you are going to give it a few seconds while the product is being added to your store. While the product is being added, you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on store settings. From here, you can customize your store name if you want. You can add a logo if you want also to your store. And you could also tap on customize store. If in the future you'd like to change the theme, you can do that right here. And when you tap on payouts, you will be led to this page on which you'll be able to continue adding information about yourself. So for example, you'll add your address right there, then you'll tap on save, and by filling out this information, you'll be able to receive payments once your pop-up store starts earning money. Now let's go back and see how our store looks with our product. We'll tap on visit store in the top right hand corner, and you can see our storefront right here. And if we were to tap on the product, you can see how the product page looks right there. And persons will be able to select the size that they'd like to order, the quantity, then tap on add to cart. Then from there, they can tap on go to checkout, and then they can fill in their payment information and complete the process. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.